Can you imagine going camping and realizing you forgot the essentials? A trip that was meant to be epic turns into chaos. Don't worry, here's the ultimate guide with what you must take camping. I'll explain it quickly, clearly, and without complications, so you can enjoy nature without carrying unnecessary things. Plus, in the description, you'll find our recommended list of top products for every need. Let's get started. The tent is your shelter in the middle of nature. It protects you from unpredictable weather, insects, and ensures a comfortable rest after a day of adventure. But not just any tent will do. You need one that's practical, lightweight, and easy to set up. Think about this. How many people will use it? How easy is it to pack? Is it suitable for all seasons? Remember, every minute counts when camping. You don't want to waste time struggling with a complicated tent or carrying something huge and heavy. Invest wisely because your experience depends on it. The sleeping bag is your best ally for resting while camping. The key is to choose one suited to the temperature of your destination, winter or summer. Ideally, you'd have one for each season. If you're on a tight budget, research the climate well before heading out. Don't forget key factors like comfort, how much space it takes up, and the quality of the material. A good sleeping bag isn't just for outdoor adventures. It can also come in handy for unexpected situations, like crashing at a friend's place and ending up on the floor. Choose wisely to ensure it lasts for years. Forget about carrying heavy pots or your entire dishware set. Unless you're going luxury camping, the most practical option is reusable or eco-friendly food containers and cutlery. They're lightweight, safe, and perfect for storing and preserving food for longer. Plus, you won't have to worry about breaking anything, and you'll be doing your part for the planet by avoiding disposable plates. Convenience, functionality, and eco-friendliness, all in one. Never underestimate hydration when camping. Whether it's summer or winter, you'll need to bring enough water. In fact, it's easier to get dehydrated in winter because thirst can be deceptive, and you won't feel it as much. That's why a quality water bottle is essential. Choose one that keeps drinks hot or cold, doesn't leak or sweat inside your backpack, and has a practical drinking system. For an extra edge, go for a bottle with a filter, perfect for purifying water from rivers or lakes and eliminating almost 100% of bacteria and parasites. Stay hydrated and safe while camping. Since your tent doesn't come with built-in lights yet, it's up to you to bring nighttime illumination. Even if you're not planning on night hikes, trust us, you'll need to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night. Or, let's be real, handle basic needs in the forest, on the beach, or in the mountains. You might also need to search for things inside the tent, and your precious flashlight will save the day. Believe us, it will come in handy in many situations, so it's a must-have for your camping gear. Just like the flashlight, a lighter, or flint if you're feeling like a true adventurer, is a camping essential. You might think you won't need it, but let me ask you this. Who doesn't make a campfire when camping? And if you brought marshmallows, even more reason. A good lighter is also key if you're using a gas lamp or planning to cook. Whether it's for heating food, lighting the campsite, or enjoying a good fire under the stars, you won't want to be without a flame. Bags are essential for any camping trip, but not all of them need to be plastic. While organic waste is best discarded in plastic bags, your dirty clothes can easily go into reusable fabric bags. This way, you keep everything organized while also helping protect the planet. Small decisions like this make a big difference in your outdoor adventures. Pack a small, practical toiletry bag with the basics: shampoo, soap, toothpaste, deodorant, toothbrush, moisturizer, and a bit of cologne. If you opt for eco-friendly or organic products, even better. That way, you maintain your hygiene without harming the environment. A compact and environmentally conscious toiletry bag will make life easier and let you enjoy camping while leaving a smaller footprint in nature. Choose your outfits wisely and avoid overpacking. The type of clothing will depend on your destination, but always bring the essentials. A good jacket, waterproof socks, and water-resistant shoes are non-negotiable in case it rains. Rain can surprise you anywhere: mountains, beaches, or fields. Stay dry because being wet for long periods can affect your health. If you're heading to the mountains, make sure to pack specialized footwear, whether for hiking or climbing. Your feet will bear the brunt, so protect them well. Don't forget a good cap and sunglasses in your camping gear. The cap protects your head and face from the sun, while the sunglasses shield your eyes from harmful UV rays. And remember, the sun doesn't take a break in winter. Choose sunglasses based on the location and activity, and for caps, pick one that's comfortable and functional to keep you protected all day. In today's hyper-connected world, it's normal to want to stay online, even in nature. But all of that falls apart if your phone dies on the first day. And you never know when you might need it in an emergency. That's why you should always bring a portable battery. Forget the stress of running out of charge. Plus, your phone isn't just for calls. It can be your flashlight, GPS, alarm clock, and much more. The backpack is a must-have for any camping adventure. It's the key piece for carrying all your essentials. If you're an experienced camper, you'll know how to optimize space and pack everything you need. Camping backpacks must be durable, comfortable, and allow for good internal organization. Look for one with well-distributed compartments for easy access to your gear. A 40 to 60-liter backpack is ideal for most weekend trips. For longer or more demanding camping, a 70-liter or larger backpack will give you the extra capacity you need without sacrificing comfort. Sunscreen isn't included in the personal care section because it's one of those items you shouldn't skimp on, either in price or quantity. It might not fit in your toiletry bag, but you should definitely bring it. Sunscreen isn't something you apply just once in the morning and forget about. Reapply every 4 hours to keep your skin protected all day. Protecting yourself from the sun while camping is crucial. You don't want to damage your skin or speed up aging. So sunscreen is one of the essentials for a safe and successful camping trip. Along with sunscreen, if you want to stay well protected in nature, don't forget mosquito repellent. No matter where you go, mosquitoes will be waiting. Don't sacrifice comfort over a few bites. Make sure to apply it, especially on your feet, legs, and arms. Choose a repellent with long-lasting protection, especially if you'll be in dense vegetation or near water. For those sensitive to chemicals, natural options like citronella or essential oil-based repellents can be just as effective. Accidents can happen at any time, so it's best to be prepared. During a camping trip, you're exposed to cuts, bumps, blisters, burns, and other mishaps. Having a good first aid kit is essential to handle any emergency. What should your kit include? At a minimum, band-aids, antiseptics, alcohol, saline solution, antibiotic ointments, cortisone cream for bites, anti-inflammatory gel, petroleum jelly, burn cream, gauze, bandages, scissors, a thermometer, gloves, tweezers, and a magnifying glass. With these basics, you'll be ready to handle minor injuries and keep enjoying your camping trip safely. It's no coincidence that Boy Scouts never leave their pocket knives behind when camping. It's an essential tool that you might need at any moment, whether to cut rope for your tent, prepare food, or fix torn clothing. A good pocket knife can serve many purposes, from gathering firewood to making quick repairs to your gear. Just be cautious when using it. If you're traveling with kids, make sure it's stored safely out of their reach. Choose a knife with a good locking system for added safety. The insulating mat is much more important than it seems, and you'd be surprised by how useful it can be. You'll enjoy a much more restful sleep with it, as it provides better support for your spine. Additionally, it acts as an excellent thermal insulator, protecting you from the cold ground at night. Not only does it help you sleep better, but it also shields you from rocks, branches, and other irregularities in the terrain. If you're heading to the beach, the mat is even more versatile. It can serve as a float to relax in the water or as a comfortable surface to lay out under the sun. Although it's not always considered essential, it's one of those items you'll never regret bringing along. So, even if it's not a must-have for everyone, we recommend you don't leave it out of your gear. And there you have it, a list of essential items to make your camping experience comfortable and safe. Remember, the key is to be well prepared without overloading your backpack. Each of these items has a purpose, and while some might not be strictly necessary for everyone, you'll surely be grateful to have them when you need them most. If you have any questions or would like to share additional tips, don't hesitate to leave a comment. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.